It's our own recipe. You can't find it anywhere else. It's a family project. We have 8 kids, and every one of them has helped us in this whole ordeal. It's been a fun experience and a lot of work.
It's like the perfect amount of like gooey and doughy. I'm a fan.
A high-quality cinnamon and blend of spices that just melt in your mouth when you bite into them. You're not going to find this kind of product anywhere else. Everything is made from scratch, right here on site. You can watch us from the mixing all the way to coming out of the ovens and being put in the trays and then sent out the window to our customers.
You wouldn't expect to get this kind of quality at a state fair, but I'm telling you, these things are fresh out of the oven, delicious.
The Minnesota State Fair is really one of the biggest food fairs in the nation, and it is quite an honor to be able to be selected from many, many vendors to be able to be here.